I recently took Change Your Walk, Change Your Life with Wendy Williams from Tai Chi Life. And the biggest impact for me by far is that I can create good posture for myself, walking, moving, doing whatever I'm doing, and feel relaxed while doing it. And that's huge. I'm a tall person. For year and a half, I've been trying to improve my posture because of noticing a bit of a stoop and a kind of a hump in my upper back. But all of that always involved being ramrod straight, and I could hold it for 17 seconds, and then I'd forget or let go, or it wasn't comfortable. And now, walking, I use the treadmill every now and then. I'm doing a bit of jogging outside. When I'm on my bike, I can really use the imagery that Wendy talks about in terms of the different points to see what different parts of my body are doing. And the other check I do is, am I relaxed right now? And if I'm not, I go and I fix that point. So highly recommend it. There's a lot that you'll be able to take out from it, and yeah, it's just every time you're in motion, there'll be something there for you.